Today we're going to talk about connecting to the DC43 wireless receiver, also known as the 300 series wireless receiver, for the largest motor that we have, the 300 Newton meter motor. But it will really connect to any 4-wire motor that we stock. First thing to do is to open up the receiver. You can do that by finding the tabs on the sides, pressing them, and lifting it. Along the bottom you'll see the connecting points. This is also useful to bring out because what you're going to have to do is connect your motor to the left hand side and your power to the middle. We do not use the right. The instructions for the receiver are not the clearest in the world, especially since the colors don't always match. The instructions tell you that 1 is blue, which is neutral, 2 is black, which is direction 1, 3 is brown, which is direction 2, and 4 is green or yellow, which is earth. But it's much easier to just go from left to right, which I will write here. When looking here, really equals red, black, green, and white. Over here on the power side, you have a line, neutral, and ground. What that means on your wire side is black, white, and your ground. So now we're going to start connecting these up. I'm going to follow this. So I'm going to start on the left hand side with red, then black, then green, and then white. Now we're going to connect the power side. This is what connects to your power supply. You want to make sure that that power supply is off before you do this in case you cross a wire. I prefer to start with the ground side, so I'm going to start with green. You want to put this connector back. This is actually going to help keep them in place. Just like that. Now that your wires are connected, you can apply power. And once you see a red light, you're going to press the programming button once. That'll start the blinking green light right next to it. Press the center button on the side. And now on your receiver, press up if you're mounted on the left, down if you're mounted on the right. Your receiver and remote are programmed. You can replace the cap by merely locking it in place. And you are ready to go.